now with all of those leads, when you got the leads, did you talk about the insight that everybody, remember the insight that we worked on? Did you do the hook?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
So now I would like you to call the leads as early as right now and just say, hey, I'm back from the event, was thinking about you the whole way back. I wanted to raise my hand, remind you that I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of making sure that your scans are right, your measurements are right, even if it's you just want to continue our conversation or bounce an idea off of somebody. I was super excited to meet you. This number's my mobile. Make 19 of those calls. Now we're going to lock it back in with I'm just calling to raise my hand. And you're going to say, I was excited. People love to hear this stuff, by the way. It's like giving them the best compliment in the whole world. Like, I really enjoyed talking to you at the conference. Our conversation was amazing. I was thinking about you the entire way back, right? Mm-hmm. I was thinking about you my entire way back. I wanted to raise my hand, make sure you had my contact information, anything you need in terms of, I think it's LiDAR scans or whatever, in terms of making sure that these replication of the original blueprints goes off, with all your stuff, right? You're just going to summarize your stuff. Deal me in. Right? I am happy to help you, even if it's just to bounce an idea off of somebody. You've got a friend in me. My mobile is bop, 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 bop. Make 19 of those calls right now, because they're probably not going to answer. If they do answer, you're just going to say the same thing, right? I really enjoyed meeting you at the show. I was thinking about you in the whole way back. I wanted to call you right now, raise my hand, make sure you had my contact information, anything you guys, you're going to find them. Oh, yeah, we've got some projects we want to send your way. You're in a good spot. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.